We are pleased to show you the 2008 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, leather trim seats, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.